Welcome back to SVJ Academy. Today we are going to start another subsidiary book, Purchase Book. Already we have completed what are the subsidiary books, what is subsidiary book and what are the subsidiary books. A video related to subsidiary book is available in the playlist. Kindly go to the playlist and watch about the subsidiary book. And the cash book also we have completed. Single column, double column and triple column cash book. That 3 videos are available in playlist. Please go to playlist and watch the concerned videos. What is purchase book? Before that, what are the subsidiary book? Again, I am just giving an introduction about the subsidiary book. What are the subsidiary book or special journals? We have divided the journal into some special books. The first one is cash book. Second one is purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, bills payable book, bills receivable book and journal proper. These are the 8 subsidiary books. Out of these 8 subsidiary books, we completed the cash book. Single column, double column and triple column cash book in detail. What is purchase book? Before going to purchase book, I will give some more clarity about the recording of subsidiary books. Some students may be confused with which transaction should be recorded in which subsidiary book. So, we can simply understand the things. The transactions can be divided into 2. The one is cash transaction and the another one is non-cash transaction. The first one, cash transaction, non-cash transaction. All the cash transactions will be recorded in cash book. All the non-cash items will be recorded in purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, bills payable book, bills receivable book and the journal proper. So one confusion is clear. All cash transactions will be recorded in cash book and non-cash transactions will be recorded in other 7 subsidiary books. First one. So in purchase book what we will record? In purchase book we have to record only the credit to purchasers. It is very clear. Purchase book will be recorded by only credit to purchasers, not the cash purchase items. Cash purchase will be recorded in cash book. So under purchase book we have to record all the credit to purchasers. Then what is purchase? This is the second question. All the what is goods? Several videos I explained again and again what is goods. An item, a commodity which is purchased for resale. That is called goods. Only the goods purchase should be recorded in purchase book. Purchase book എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല് കടമായി വാങ്ങിക്കുന്ന സാധനങ്ങൾ മാത്രമേ പർച്ചേസ് ബുക്കിൽ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. ഒന്ന്. രണ്ടാമത്തേത് ഗുഡ്സ് പർച്ചേസ് ചെയ്തത് മാത്രമേ പർച്ചേസ് ബുക്കിൽ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. അതെന്താണ് അങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞത്? വൈ ദ ഗുഡ്സ് ആൻഡ് നോൺ ഗുഡ്സ്? Something we have to purchase for resale, that is called goods. If a stationery merchant purchased a computer for his own purpose, can we call it as purchase? No, because that computer purchased by him for his office use, not for resale. So that computer is an asset for the stationery merchant. If he bought stationery, it will be purchase. ഒരു സ്റ്റേഷനറി മർച്ചന്റ് അയാളുടെ ആവശ്യത്തിന് വേണ്ടി കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ വാങ്ങിയാൽ അത് പർച്ചേസ് അല്ല. അതേസമയം അയാൾ തിരിച്ചു വിൽക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി സ്റ്റേഷനറി വാങ്ങിച്ചാൽ അത് പർച്ചേസ് ആണ്. ഒരു കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ മെർച്ചന്റ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ വാങ്ങിച്ചാൽ അത് അയാൾ തിരിച്ചു വിൽക്കുക എന്ന ഉദ്ദേശത്തിലാണ്. സോ അത് അയാൾക്ക് പർച്ചേസ് ആണ്, ഗുഡ്സ് ആണ്. അയാൾ സ്റ്റേഷനറി വാങ്ങിച്ചാൽ അത് തിരിച്ചു വിൽക്കാൻ ഉദ്ദേശത്തില്ല, അയാളുടെ ഉപയോഗത്തിനാണ് എങ്കിൽ അത് എക്സ്പെൻസ് ആണ്, പർച്ചേസ് അല്ല. ഇതാണ് വ്യത്യാസം. ഈ വ്യത്യാസം നിങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചു വയ്ക്കുക. സോ നൗ വി സീ വാട്ട് ആർ ദി ടൈപ്സ് ഓഫ് ട്രാൻസാക്ഷൻസ് വിച്ച് വിൽ ബി റെക്കോർഡഡ് ഇൻ purchase book. Only credit transaction and only purchase of goods. Before going to purchase book, we have to study something about trade discount, cash discount, GST and everything. What is a trade discount and what is a cash discount? What is the difference between two? Trade discount means discount allowed by the seller to the buyer on the given price list. Trade discount എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സെല്ലർ ബയർക്ക് ലിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത പ്രൈസിൽ നിന്നും കുറച്ച് കൊടുക്കുന്നതാണ് ട്രേഡ് ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട്. ഇപ്പോ ഒരു സാധനത്തിന് 100 രൂപ വിലയുണ്ട്, സെല്ലർ 2 rupees ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്നു. Now the 2 rupees will be the trade discount and the value of the commodity will be 98 rupees. So the trade discount is allowed by the seller to the buyer. Then what is cash discount? Cash discount is allowed by the creditor to the debtor. Here, once the goods is sold, if it is a credit sales, the name buyer will be named as debtor. Here the cash discount is allowed by the creditor to the debtor, seller to the buyer. The second difference is the purpose of the discount. The trade discount is allowed for purchasing bulk quantity. Bulk quantity is സാധനങ്ങൾ വാങ്ങുന്നതിനാണ് trade discount allow ചെയ്യുന്നത്. While the cash discount will be allowed for prompt payments. Cash discount allow ചെയ്യുന്നത് എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് പണം കിട്ടുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. അതായത് ഒരു മാസത്തെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 2 മാസത്തെ ക്രെഡിറ്റ് സെയിലാണെങ്കിൽ എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് നമ്മൾക്ക് ക്യാഷ് അവർ തരുന്നോ അതിനുള്ള ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് നമ്മൾ ഓഫർ ചെയ്യുക. For the prompt payments, immediate payments. That is called cash discount. So the purpose of the discount is, one is the trade discount is for bulk quantity and the cash discount is for the prompt payments. How this will record in invoice? The trade discount will be recorded in invoice and the cash discount may not be recorded in invoice. So the trade discount will be recorded in invoice as a deduction from the price of the commodity. But the cash discount will not be recorded in the books, in the bill, because the cash discount is allowed later at the time of payment only. When the trade discount allowed? The trade discount is allowed at the time of purchase and the cash discount is allowed at the time of payment. To whom the discount is allowed? The trade discount is allowed to all the customers, all the buyers, but the cash discount is not allowed to all. It is only for the debtors for making the payments. Then what is the accounting treatment of these two discounts? The trade discount may not be recorded in books because it is a deduction from the invoice value. So no need to record the trade discount in the books of account. But the cash discount is a deduction after generating the invoice and we are reducing the amount receivable from the debtors. It is a loss to the company. So we have to record that the expenses or loss in the books as discount allowed. So the trade discount will not be recorded in the books of account, but cash discount will be recorded in the books. Then what is the applicability of taxes? No need to pay taxes on trade discount. Taxes, GST on trade discount, because we are paying the taxes on the invoice value. That invoice value is after deducting the trade discount from the cost of the commodity. But we have to pay taxes on cash discount because the cash discount is allowed after the invoice. So we have to pay taxes on cash discount also. So these are the difference between cash discount and trade discount. Now what is trade discount? Trade discount is a deduction allowed by the seller to the buyer for bulk purchase. Cash discount is a deduction allowed by the creditor to the debtor for making the prompt payments. Now we cleared the two discounts and its applicability in books of account. Now coming to the taxes. Already I have uploaded a video about the GST. Kindly go to that video, watch and study. Again I am giving a little clarification. What are the types of GST? One is CGST, the second is SGST and the third is IGST. The CGST and the SGST will be chargeable on intra-state sales, that is the sales within the state. സ്റ്റേറ്റിനുള്ളിൽ നടത്തുന്ന സെയിൽസിനാണ് ഇൻട്രാ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് സെയിൽസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇൻട്രാ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് സെയിൽസിനാണ് CGST, സെൻട്രൽ ഗുഡ്സ് ആൻഡ് സർവീസ് ടാക്സ്, ആൻഡ് SGST, സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഗുഡ്സ് ആൻഡ് സർവീസ് ടാക്സ് ചാർജ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Again, if the sales is with the interstate between the two states, it is called interstate sales. Under interstate sales, we will charge IGST, Integrated Goods and Service Tax. രണ്ട് സ്റ്റേറ്റുകൾ തമ്മിലുള്ള കച്ചവടമാണെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ ഇന്റർസ്റ്റേറ്റ് സെയിൽസ് എന്ന് പറയും. രണ്ട് സ്റ്റേറ്റുകൾ തമ്മിൽ. ഇന്റർസ്റ്റേറ്റ് സെയിൽസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിലുള്ള ടാക്സ് SGST-യോ CGST-യോ അല്ല, പകരം IGST എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒറ്റ ടാക്സ് ആണ്. സോ ദി GST sales are classified into two: intrastate sales and interstate sales. Under interstate sales, the tax is IGST, and under intrastate sales, the taxes are CGST and SGST. The tax rates are already declared by the GST Council: 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. These are the GST rates. So when we are going to the purchase book, we have to record all these in our purchase journal. The trade discount will be shown in the question, and the GST also we have to record or outside the stage. So let's move to our question. Then we can get a clarity about the prepare purchase book in the books of Mrs. Modern Furniture House, Lucknow, UP. From the following transactions, assuming CGST 6% and SGST 6%. June 5th, 2017, bought from Mohanlal and Company, Kanpur, UP. 20 Godrej chairs at the rate of 2,000 each. 5 Godrej tables at the rate of 6,000 each. Trade discount 20%. Second one, on June 10th, purchase from Bharat Bhushan and Sons, Varanasi, UP. 5 Almara, rupees 12,000 each. 2 revolving chairs at the rupees 20,000 each. Trade discount 10%. On 14th, purchase from Surya Traders, Lucknow, UP. 80 desks at the rate of 2,500 each. 10 sofa sets at the rate of 20,000 each. Trade discount 15%. On 20th, purchased for cash from Gobi Chand and Company, Delhi. 4 tables at the rate of 5,000 each. 25th, bought furniture for office use from New Furniture House, Faridabad, on credit. 5 chairs at the rate of 2,500 per chair. 2 tables at the rate of 5,000 per table. These are the questions. Go through the question. Prepare purchase book in the books of Modern Furniture House, Lucknow, UP. So, our books, we are Modern Furniture House. We are situating at Lucknow, UP stage, Uttar Pradesh stage. So, keep this in our minds. So, go to the first transaction. Bought from Mohanlal and Company, Kanpur, UP. 20 Godrej chairs at the rate of 2,000 each. 5 Godrej tables at the rate of 6,000 each. Trade discount 20%. So draw a purchase book. What is the format of purchase book? The first column will be dates, particulars, invoice, LF, details, costs, inputs CGST, inputs SGST, IGST, then total. These are the columns. So draw a purchase book. Give the title Purchase Book of Modern Furniture House. Write the first transaction. Bought from Mohanlal and Co. Kanpur. 5th June 2017. Under particulars column, write down the name of the seller. Mohanlal and Company, Kanpur. Below that, write the description of the goods we purchased. 20 Godrej chairs at the rate of 2,000 each. On the invoice column, we have given the invoice number. We have to record the invoice number on the invoice column. Now here nothing is mentioned about the invoice. So in details column, multiply the number of pieces into its rate. 20 Godrej chairs at the rate of 2,000 each. So 20 into 2,000. Under details column, write down 40,000. The next one is 5 Godrej tables at the rate of 6,000 each. So write down on the particulars column 5 Godrej tables at the rate of 6,000 each. Under details column, write down 5 into 6,000, 30,000. Now the first day transaction completed. Take the total 40,000 plus 30,000, 70,000. Write down the total. After writing the total, we have to deduct the trade discount. So how much is trade discount? 20% trade discount we have to deduct. So 20% of 70,000 we have to calculate. It is coming to 14,000. So in the particulars column, less 20% trade discount, 14,000. Write down the balance, 70,000 minus 14,000, it is coming to 56,000. Now we have to add the GST. Here the buyer and the seller is on the same stage. So we have to charge CGST and SGST. The rate is given in the question, 6% CGST and 6% SGST. So on the particulars column, write down add CGST at the rate of 6%. 6% of 56,000. It is coming to 3,360. Again, on the particulars column, add SGST at the rate of 6%. Write down on the details column 3,360. Now we got the final value. The cost of the goods minus trade discount, add the taxes. This is the cost of the 20 Godrej chairs and 5 Godrej tables. So total the item, the total is coming to 62,720. So under cost column, we have to mention only the cost of the commodity without a tax. So under the cost column, write down 56,000. And on the input CGST column, we have to record the CGST amount 3,360. And under the input SGST column, we have to record the SGST amount of 3,360. So we have completed the tax column. Now on the total column, we have to add all these three and record that one, 62,720. Now the first one is completed. Go to the second one. Purchase from Bharat Bhushan and Sons, Varanasi, UP, 5 Almara at the rate of 12,000 each, 2 revolving chairs at the rupees 20,000 each. So write down June 10, the name of the supplier, Bharat Bhushan and Sons, Varanasi. Write down the description of the goods, 5 Almara at the rate of 12,000 each. Calculate the amount and write down under the details column, 5 into 12,000, 60,000. Write down the next item, 2 revolving chairs at the rate of 20,000 each. So 2 into 20,000, 40,000 on the details column. Then anything about the trade discount? The trade discount is 10%. So total the two items, 60,000 plus 40,000 coming to 1 lakh. On this 1 lakh we have to allow 10% trade discount. So write down on the particulars column, less trade discount at the rate of 10%. 1 lakh into 10%, 10,000. Deduct the amount and write down under the details column, 90,000. On this 90,000 we have to charge GST. Here also the sales is intra-state. So we have to charge CGST 6%, SGST 6%. So the next item will be add CGST at the rate of 6%. 6% of 90,000, 5,400. Write down under the details column 5,400. Again add SGST at the rate of 6%. Amount is 5,400. Add this amount 90,000 plus CGST and SGST. The total is coming to 1,800,000. Now we completed the details. Now elaborate the cost. Under the cost column, only the original cost of the material 90,000, and under input CGST column write down 5,400. Under input SGST column 5,400. Total these three into outer column 1,800,000. Go to the third one. On 14th, purchased from Surya Traders, Lucknow, UP, 80 desks at the rate of 2,500 each, 10 sofa sets at the rate of 20,000 each. Trade discount 15%. So write down on the date column 14th, the name of the supplier, Surya Traders, Lucknow, UP, 80 desks at the rate of 2,500 each. So 80 into 2,500, it is coming to 2 lakhs. Next one is 10 sofa sets at the rate of 20,000 each. So 10 into 20,000, 2 lakhs. Total both item coming to 4 lakhs. What is the trade discount? 15% trade discount is allowed. So 15% of 4 lakhs, it is coming to 60,000. Less trade discount 60,000. 4 lakhs minus 60,000, it is coming to 3,40,000. On this 3,40,000, we have to calculate CGST and SGST at the rate of 6%. So next item will be add CGST at the rate of 6%. 3,40,000 into 6%. It is coming to 20,400. Again, add SGST at the rate of 6%. 20,400. Under the cost column, write down 3,40,000. Under input tax, CGST 20,400. Under input tax, SGST 20,400. Total these 3 columns into the total column 3,80,800. Go to the next one. Purchased for cash from Gobichand Halai, Delhi for tables at the rate of 5,000 each. This is a cash transaction. This is not a credit transaction. This is a cash transaction. So no need to record this transaction in purchase book. It will be recorded in cash book. Go to the next one. Bought furniture for office use from New Furniture House, Faridabad on credit. 5 chairs and 2 tables. This is not a goods because these tables and chairs purchased for our own purpose, official purpose. So it is not for resale. So we can't say it as purchase or goods. So we can record it in purchase book. We have to record this transaction into journal proper that we can see later. So under purchase book we have to record only the credit purchases and the only goods purchase. This is the only 2 things we have to remember in our mind. Now we completed the purchase book. Now total the book. Under the cost column, it is coming to 4,86,000. Input CGST, the total is 29,160, and input SGST 29,160. The total will be 5,44,320. So we completed the purchase book. I think you studied how to record the purchase transactions in purchase book. Only 2 things we have to remember. If you really like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please enable the bell icon. You will get all the important notifications. All the videos relating to journal, bank reconciliation statements, subsidiary book introduction, cash book and everything available in playlist. Go to playlist and watch. The next video will be sales book. Till then, bye.